Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I did this everyday kind of makeup look. So without a further ado, let's get started. To start off, I'm going to use my moisturizer. This moisturizer is really good for dry skin. It's very hydrating. After moisturizing, the most important step is to apply a sunscreen. You should never step out of your house without using a sunscreen, even if it's winter time, because sun is always there. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 228. I'm just going to dot it all over my face and then blend it with Beauty Blender. It's a really good drugstore foundation. It gives medium coverage. You can also build up the coverage. For my under eyes, I'm going to use this MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade MC42. It's a creamy, high coverage concealer and I love it for my under eyes and to hide any spots on my skin. I'm then going to set my face using the MAC Studio Fix Powder in the shade NC40. It's a powder foundation, so whenever I need extra coverage on top of my foundation, I just use this powder to set my face. For the eye makeup, I'm going to use only two shades. I'm going to use this shade first as my transition shade. I'm just going to apply it in my crease. I'm now taking this brown shade and applying it in my crease and also a little bit on the outer V of my eye. I love brown eyeshadows and most of the times I just end up wearing a brown eyeshadow and it brings the whole makeup look together. I feel brown eyeshadows look so sexy and gives kind of a smoky vibe to your eye makeup look. I'm now applying the same brown shade under my waterline. I'm then applying some Kajal. This is the Nykaa eyemBOLD Kajal. For the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is the best mascara I've ever used. For my bronzer, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm using the brush which comes with it. I'm then applying some blush. For my highlighter, I'm using the MAC Extra Dimension Skinfinish in the shade Oh Darling. For my lips, I'm using the lip liner from MAC in the shade Spice. For the lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Madras-Kaapi. I completely forgot to fill in my eyebrows, so I'm just going to quickly do that. For that, I'm going to use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. I'm then taking my MAC Fix Plus and spritz it all over. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.